Ino igukorwo iri mbunge ya gatatu kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, MCAs aria macagurirwo ni muingi makiheo mweke wa kumatungatira. Akiaria ari mbunge-ini ino, Gavana Kihika niowete mweke ucio gutarira kienuki giake tabarira-ini ngurani cia uthii wa na mbere, akiuria unyitaniri wa honge ngurani cia thirikari ari gutungatira muingi.
I look forward to an inclusive leadership and socio-economic empowerment for all. To begin with health sector, I envisage quality healthcare for all. Health is one of the fully devolved services and further consume the highest proportion of the county budget. The county is burdened with the challenge of preventable diseases, chronic ailments, and access to affordable healthcare services.
Gukinyurwo, Kihika uria wari speaker wa mbere wa mbunge ya Naikuru ni uritie MCAs mbunge-ini ino kwaga gwikuruhania na uteti wa ciama makiria riri marahitukia mawatho ma utungata na utongoria kuri muingi.
Our singular aim in the short term to medium term period must without a doubt focus on building back better. Irrespective of our political affiliations, we collectively have the unique opportunity of ensuring that the benefits of devolution reach to all the county residents.
Kihika niataririe utonga no hoti uria uri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, akiuga ari sheba kugacirithia njira ngurani cia thirikari ari utungata wa muingi, undu umwe na gutigirira muingi ni wagunika na utonga uria uri thiini wa kaunti ino.
In order to facilitate the competitiveness of the county economy and transform Nakuru, my administration intends to focus on the following. A, develop and operationalize a robust integrated county transport infrastructure master plan covering road and transport connectivity. Construct modern matatu terminal in the city and all urban areas with supportive infrastructure for SMEs, MSEs, and formulate and implement policy to promote utilization of local content.
Irifuatira Kameme TV, Litoria Kwani Mubi, Washige.